Today we will make easy chicken lasagna. Let's see how to make. The ingredients we will need is 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 onion, 1.5 kg of tomatoes and 1 kg of chicken minced. I have made this tomato puree. Now we will cook it for 20 to 25 minutes until it thickens. As you can see now, my tomato puree has been thickened. Now we have to cool it down. Take a pan and add 1/3 cup of oil in it. Once the oil gets heated up, add the onions and cook it first until it gets a light brown color. As you can see here, the onions are brown. Now add the garlic into it. After garlic has been added, cook it for 15 to 20 seconds. Don't burn the garlic. Once the garlic has been done, add the minced chicken. And then cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After the chicken has been cooked, add 1 teaspoon of oregano. And also add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. And mix well. Once we have mixed properly, add the tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree, add half cup of water and mix it well. After adding the water, cook the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, my chicken is already done. Now we will make the bechamel sauce. So for bechamel sauce, we will need 30 gram of butter, and you have to just melt the butter in it. Once the butter melts, add 30 gram of all-purpose flour and mix it well. Once butter and flour get mixed well, add 600 ml of milk, but gradually. Then add again and then mix well. Once the sauce gets thickens, add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chili flakes and then mix well. mix it well, and then the sauce is ready. Okay, now first add your bechamel sauce into the baking tray and spread it all over. Once it gets spread all over, then add your lasagna sheets. Once you add the lasagna sheets, then add your minced chicken into this and spread it all over. Then after the minced chicken, add your cheese. And then again put the lasagna sheets and repeat the same. Then you can break the lasagna sheets into half and put on the sides to cover the baking dish. And then repeat the same. Okay, so I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. So you can put your baking dish inside the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and start. Now my dish is ready. We will serve it hot. Hope you like my dish. Please like, subscribe and share.